Hello, fellow pilots. It's Henry from Adventure Air here with your buddy Jeremy, and we're going up for some more fun, more takeoff and landing fun. That hello, fellow pilots. Didn't John King used to say that? Hello, fellow pilots. Yeah. Pulling into the run-up area right now, we're going to do our run-up, and then Jeremy's going to be doing his thing. So I'm not going to say too much on this first flight. We're just going to pretend like Jeremy's all by himself. We're going to see how it goes.
Chino Tower, Jar 113 Charlie X-ray, holding short 26 right at Papa, right close traffic.
Jar 113 Charlie X-ray, Chino Tower, stand by.
You do talk really fast on your radio.
I don't mean to.
Okay. I mean, you're probably used to it from your police days.
Okay.
But if you talk fast, they'll talk fast back, which is fine.
Gyro 3 Charlie X-ray, no delay, make right close traffic, follow the helicopter up1, runway 26 right, cleared for takeoff. Traffic over the 15 freeway.
No delay, right close traffic, extend up one with the helicopter. 113 Charlie X-ray.
Very nice. 8 Bravo Bravo, traffic departing prior to arrival, Gyrocopter.
8 Bravo Bravo. He's over the 15 freeway, that's like 10 miles away, so.
Okay.
You don't need to worry about that. Kill yourself, yeah.
Okay. Rotor. Here a little bit. RPM, release the button, stick back, release the brake, throttle forward.
Helicopter 3 Hotel Sierra number 2, flying a bearing just east of the wash, runway 26 right, clear to land.
Number 2, 26 right, clear to land, helicopter 3 Hotel Sierra.
Engine out now, where would you go?
Right down.
Okay. Yeah, I like this ship a lot.
Granny Bravo Bravo, turn right at hotel, contact ground point 6.
Yeah.
Right hotel, ground point 68 Bravo Bravo.
With the...
Yeah, this one has like 0 stick shake. It's got a 914 stock engine on it, but you and I are both big guys, and this had no problem flipping us off the runway.
Contact 61 alternate tower, make straight in runway 26, lost contact.
And this one is for sale out there, you guys. I think it's, they're asking me $99,000 for it. So it's a pretty good deal on the Cavalon for this guy. Add power. If you pop up like that, add that power. See how you can just float it back down to the runway?
Yeah.
Just get flying slow. Now just back the power off slowly. See how you can just fly it to the ground?
Yeah.
Now back the power off all the way.
Oh, wow.
Gyro 3 Charlie X-ray, there you go.
Off we go. Goes down. Okay, not too bad. But yeah, once you get slow like that, if you pop up, don't just pop up and not do anything, you know, otherwise you're going to pop up and go bam.
Yeah. It's always that first landing.
Ah, okay.
The first one in a while.
I know. that was your one warm-up that you get.
Got a warm-up. Now I know what the machine's doing.
Yeah.
Sierra 3 Charlie X-ray, when able to cross on runway 26 right, clear for the option.
Clear for the option. 112 Charlie X-ray. 26 right.
Okay, we're turning on a short final. We're still at 1,300 feet, so let's get on down.
Okay.
I don't want you diving at the runway. Yeah, so on base, start coming down.
3563 Chino Tower, transition approved, channel altimeter 29992.
Altimeter 29992, 630, thank you.
Wait, now flare slowly. If you'd added a little power on that one, you would have been, it would have smoothed it back in again.
Okay, sorry.
Off you go. That's all right. That's why we're practicing.
Helicopter 3 Hotel Sierra, traffic off your left side for the parallel runway, Skycatcher.
Looking at the traffic up to 3 Hotel Sierra.
There you go.
3 Hotel Sierra has traffic in sight.
Thank you. Sierra 3 Charlie X-ray, when able to cross on runway 26 right, clear for the option.
26 right, clear for the option. 113 Charlie X-ray. Just keep me in a tight pattern today, huh?
Yeah, engine out here, where would you go?
Probably on the taxiway.
Okay. Facing what direction?
I'd be facing south, I guess. Or, I mean, east.
Yeah, that'd be a downwind.
Yeah.
You could probably just kind of pull out, you could probably do a 360.
Think so.
Or be a 270 from this direction. Yeah, pretty easy. We're high, you know.
Okay.
Always try landing in the way of an emergency, yeah. And we're clear for the option,
Helicopter
right?
3 Hotel
Yeah.
Sierra, 1,500.
All right, let's try an engine out, see what happens.
On request for now, extend upwind for the power line.
Roger, extending upwind up to 3 Hotel Sierra.
At your glide established 60.
Helicopter 3 Hotel Sierra, turn cross on number 2, flying Gyrocopter, about to touch down, runway 26 right, clear to land.
Okay, turn across it now, 26 right, clear to land. Are we good for that short approach, up to 3 Hotel Sierra?
Helicopter 3 Hotel Sierra, thank you, short approach approved.
Roger, up to 3 Hotel Sierra, thank you.
Slowly back on the stick. Slowly, more back, more back. No, more back is fine. There you go.
Okay.
Yeah, don't just like bang it, you know.
Sorry.
That's all right. All right, off you go.
Figuring that part out.
Yep. You're getting there. Nose down.
Yeah. We're shoving it down. There we go.
I should have been taking your trim off for you, but because you already have a lot of trim in.
Yeah. Oh, is that what you do? Did you
I take it off because it's like a new takeoff.
Yeah.
Because in a normal takeoff, you're not going to have all that trim on, you know.
Okay.
All right, so I want you're getting down to the runway, then you're kind of flubbing the last foot. I mean, everything else is perfect. You're
Okay.
coming in. So just get down in there, and then when you come back on the stick, especially in a high headwind,
Okay.
is if you come back just a little bit, she'll pop up. It's
Extending helicopter
micro
cruise, yeah.
slow coming back on the stick.
Okay, gotcha.
Just getting that nose without, if you see yourself starting to rise, stick back forward again. Just get the nose back down,
Okay.
you know. Want to try another engine out or no?
Oh, yeah, go for it.
All right, engine out.
Sierra 3 Charlie X-ray, traffic short final for the parallel runway, Skycatcher.
She say?
3 Charlie X-ray. Don't fly over the plane, by the way, too.
Helicopter 3 Hotel Sierra, cross on approved, number 2, flying a Gyrocopter, short final, runway 26 right, clear to land, short approach approved.
Roger, 26 right, clear to land. Short approach, helicopter 3 Hotel Sierra.
Cessna 620, frequency change approved, bracket tower 1182.
Oh, just get yourself down to a foot.
Thank you very much.
So you have plenty of time and plenty of space here.
Cessna 767 trailing.
Now back on the stick.
Continue on your way.
Back. That's better. Just like that. That's awesome. Okay, off you go. Much better. It was just a tiny little jump for the flare.
Yeah.
Put us down. Right there.
I feel it now. I can actually feel it when the aircraft's ready to fly.
Yeah.
And it's so much better.
Yeah. That's what we're working for you.
Yeah. No, it's so much better. It's like, you know, and in this aircraft, finding my speed is good too. It's, you know, I'm usually.
Yeah. Like I said, this is a nice aircraft.
Still for sale.
It is for sale.
03 Charlie X-ray, when able to turn cross on runway 268, cleared for the option.
26 right, clear for the option. 113 Charlie X-ray.
Yeah, engine out here, I would vertically descend this way.
Okay.
Sure, I'm gonna just land straight ahead between the
Helicopter 3 Hotel Sierra, runway 268, cleared for
Try to
takeoff.
get in between one of the hangars over there.
26 right, clear for takeoff. Helicopter 3 Hotel Sierra.
I see here, I'd probably do a right 180.
Yeah. Or land in any of our rows of hangars here. Those are all nice little runways there.
Oh yeah.
You know.
Yeah. We would be there.
Yeah, I'll always be thinking that. Where now would I land, you know? That way, when someday, if you ever have an engine out, you'll be like, oh, okay, I'm ready, you know?
Yeah.
Helicopter 3 Hotel Sierra, send up one.
Sending up with Helicopter 3 Hotel Sierra.
Okay, so if it's a normal landing, you're on a short base, so come back off that power.
Seneca 3909er X-ray, Chino Tower, runway 268, cleared for takeoff, no delay.
Okay, 26 right, clear for takeoff.
Oh, so we're going to keep an eye on this.
3 Charlie X-ray, square to 5.
Okay, we have an insight, 3 Charlie X-ray. Just take your time, let that guy get off the ground.
Wind 2701, CVS 17. Helicopter 3 Hotel Sierra, turn crossing.
Roger, Helicopter 3 Hotel Sierra.
Once he lifts off, you can go ahead. Okay. Do your business. Okay, I want to start seeing all these landings on the center line now.
Okay.
Seneca 09er X-ray, fly runway heading.
Runway heading, sir, 09. Tower Edison 411, Charlie Echoes, Chino Hills, inbound Edison, ramp 5.
Okay, I want you to leave the power alone and just fly down and land with this much power on.
Okay.
This way, slowly back on the stick. Back on the stick.
Number 3 Hotel Sierra, do you want to do a short approach in front of the Cessna on a 3-mile final?
Yeah, like a foot.
Yes, please, Captain 3 Hotel Sierra.
Helicopter 3 Hotel Sierra, runway 268, cleared for the option, short approach approved.
26 right, clear for the option, Helicopter 3 Hotel Sierra.
Cessna 767 Charlie Lima, your number 2 flying a helicopter over the tower. We'll be making a short approach, runway 26 right, clear to land traffic over the wash for the parallel runway 1000 indicated, sky catcher.
We'll be looking clear, Charlie.
All right, I think we're going to make this one a full stop at the intersection of the 2 runways.
Okay.
Softly.
Okay.
You can tell tower that we're going to full stop this one.
3 Charlie X-ray, we're going to be full stop.
Roger. Sure, 3 Charlie X-ray, there's traffic turning final for the parallel runway. Altitude case 1200 Cessna.
Copy that. 113 Charlie X-ray.
Now, why is that? Looks like he's landing on the right refrigerator.
Yeah.
Helicopter 1 Mike Bravo, minimal 10 mile runway traffic behind you, short file.
Hey, get going, bro. The runway intersection's where you want me.
Yep. So he's goofing off. Let's slow up right now. Just slow. There we go. Okay, he's on the go.
Helicopter 1 Mike Bravo, thanks. Extend up into the power lines. You're following assessment.
Extending up on helicopter 1.
I feel more comfortable doing that, slowing down like that kind of sustained.
Good. Good.
Slow speed thing.
Yeah, that's one of the joys of this thing that it'll do. It'll just go, we'll just stop.
Custom 143 traffic, left downwind, turning base to the parallel runway, just east of the wash house, in case 1400 Skycatcher.
Looking for that traffic, 143.
Wind 28010, gust 17.
Sister 60143, we have the Skycatcher at site 143.
Thank you. Cessna 91 Golf number 2, following a Cessna east of the wash runway 26 right, cleared for the option.
Just kind of hang here. See how you can just do this?
Yeah. 26 right, cleared for the option, 91 Golf.
There you go.
Helicopter 1 Mike Bravo, following a Cessna passing off your right, altitude case 1400.
All right, stick forward.
Traffic in sight 143, helicopter 1 Mike Bravo.
Note the wind, so
Helicopter 1 Mike Bravo, thanks to number 3, following that Cessna runway 26 right, cleared to land.
Up and up.
26 right, cleared to land, helicopter 1 Mike Bravo.
Gyro 3 Charlie X-ray, turn right at Delta, contact ground.
Right at Delta contact ground. See you.
All right, better.
Better.
Bravo, thanks, 3 back.
Better's better than worse.
That is better than worse. You're pretty close. If you have another, I mean, again, you're reasonable, getting in the reasonable enough category to let you solo. So if you do well next time, we'll see.
Okay.
But I'm not the one that makes the decision. You folks are the ones that make the decision. Is Jeremy ready to solo? Tell me what you think. Give us a comment below.
It feels good. I feel like I'm.
Yeah, you're doing well. You're doing real well. This was kind of a little more tricky. It was pretty windy, gusty conditions. And you're handling it. You kind of popped up a couple of times, you know. If you pop way up, just slowly add a little power in there. You know, fly down the runway farther, try it again, or go around, you know.
Yeah.
But don't let it pop up with no power, and then it'll just come out, bam, you know. Yeah.
I feel like I'm actually in control of the aircraft now.
Well, yeah, I hope you are.
Well, I mean, there was times where I'm just kind of like going, "Is this working?" You know?
Yeah. No, you're doing better. Again, like I told you, it's just doing it.
Yeah.
So you're doing good.
Right, you just hold position there, but contact tower 18.